Pxrf here, and this is my first ever vlog on this channel. And we are in Oman, Muscat. Today, right now, it's like 12:19 p.m. a.m. I guess, and we're going to Wadi Shab. This is my sister. Say hi. Hi, sister. As you can see, we're going through between the mountains, and I'll be showing you the best view I could ever find, actually, from the whole city, from above, from the mountains, actually. This is actually the best view that we are actually seeing right now, and it's like so pretty here, like you can see the whole city. At night, this place is all lit up, and like it's extremely beautiful. You want to be seen? This is my dad. Say hi. The weather right now is pretty good, and we chose the best timing to actually go out to like some wadi and stuff. So yeah. So on the way that we're going to like Wadi Shab, there's this restaurant called Spice of Lahore, and like we're going there right now. And it's in Al Amirat, yeah, like the way you have to climb the mountain with your car, of course. And we're gonna go there and buy our food, which is biryani. So we are here to the restaurant. That's the restaurant. This is the inside of the restaurant. As you can see, it's very well decorated, and that's all the buffet things there. And this is like all on the ceiling, it's hanged, since it's like Pakistani restaurant as well. This is the menu of this restaurant. As you can see, it's all like, yeah. This is the breakfast. You can all check from here. This is freshly fried snacks. Rice delight. We're getting this one, so that's our order. This is also the rice delight. There's a lot of them, so I'll just show you through. Rice with barbecue. These are fresh breads and slash naan, if you also know. Chicken curries. More chicken curries. And the chef's specials. There's quite a lot more, like more specials of the chef, meat curries, more meat curries, and then the classic burgers. Now in the vegetable there's quite a lot. There's barbecue rolls, barbecue and grill, and then mixed grills too. These are actually all the deals as you can see. Desserts, there's sweet stuff, like of course in the beverages, mojito, fresh juice, soft drinks, and then others too. Salads and then sides. Fresh salad, yeah, a lot of them. Last page, there's the buffet menu. This is all of the things in the buffet. And yeah, that's basically all of their menu. We got our food and now we're heading to our destination. We're here to our hotel and it's literally beside a beach, and the weather is pretty nice right now, and I'll just show you inside. This is the small entrance. It's pretty cute and like tavern. That's my sister. I stepped inside. Okay, that's the outside exit. So we are here at our hotel. You can see the back. And then on my back, the balcony is like that. Yeah, you saw my dad, oh my god. So we have changed into our sweaters and stuff. Cause like it's kind of actually very cold here. Not kind of. What did I just say? Okay, never mind. So like it's pretty cold here. And then like there's like the sea, like the sea winds are a lot of cold. Pretty cold, not pretty cold. Yeah, pretty cold. So yeah, and we are going to be heading to our destination. My hair is literally not getting it. So yeah, we're going to a destination, Wadi Shab. This was like the hotel and stuff. So I'll be updating you guys in like some minutes. Actually, for you guys, it will be like milliseconds. On our way to Wadi Ash, which is clearly just like down the hill, so my dad told us to walk. So yeah, we're here, done walking. The water from the sea is literally till here. I will not be surprised if it will like come till like up here on the road. Hold on. Okay, that's. Welcome to Wadi Shab, sorry. Alright, so I'll just show you around for a bit, and then, yeah. So this is like quite the water, I guess. It's actually very like, not that deep if you go this way, but it's deep like until you go over there. So yeah. And the mountain, and going to the Wadi Shab Cafe right now. So yeah. Since it's like, we are staying one night in the hotel, and me and my family planned that we might go to boat riding tomorrow. Boat riding is like actually just very cheap, I tell you what. And then that's the cafe behind me, and I think my mom and dad are coming. Hold on. Tomorrow morning, the guy told us that it will be extremely cold, and I took my sweater off because it's kind of hot. So we just drank our coffee, and we are heading back, like to eat our food and stuff. But back in the morning, we'll be back here again, and we'll go to a boat ride. And then there's, the guy told us that there's the caves. There's caves and like a whole waterfall that you could explore by ourselves with life jackets. So we're gonna be back here in the morning. Currently, we're heading back to our hotel by walking again because our dad literally just said, you have to walk. It's not that far away from our what do you say, hotel. Change of plans. Now we're at a White Rocks beach, whatever, and it's literally right in front of Wadi Shab. And since my sister wanted to swim, so we're here at the White Rock beach, and I am currently walking over millions of pebbles, and I'm terrified for my life. As you can see, okay, yeah, I just came from the hardest part. Now it's kind of free. So yeah, that's that. And my family's right in front, and I'm the most furthest person in the world. Look at that. So we're heading to the boat ride thing I told you all late yesterday. Say hi to my sister.
Hi, sister. Hi, guys.
See, she's also saying hi, guys. It's like a whole spiral thing. So we're here. So we're here now. The ride ended, so we might head forward. Oh my god, that's my dad and sister. Say hi! I almost fell. We exited. Someone was camping? Oh. Banana trees. It's pretty much like this, like for 40. How much did you say how the walk was? 35 to 40 minutes. He said the walk was 45 to 40 minutes, so this is probably gonna continue for like more than that. What if I scream? Walked this damn far that we're close to the small little peak thing. Well, I am the most furthest person here in my family, and look at this beautiful view. We're going inside, so I'll show you that too. Okay, so I see some people, and they went down that damn hill, and I don't think I can go down it, so let's just try. Also, that small little thing is literally like a damn river thing. I don't know, but there's that small little tiny thing. Y'all don't litter. Do not litter. But this is pretty cute. I wonder if there are any pond fish. The cold breeze is literally slapping my face right now. But like, okay. Water. I want to touch it so badly, but I'm not gonna touch it. What if some pond fish just come out of there and like starts eating me? I am terrified of fish. I tell you that. This feels like those, those tomb things in like USA, but like it's like, whoa. Yeah. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, that's like a small crossway.
Another small lake thing. Damn, look at this. The side cave. I'm gonna. Look. So we reached this far. I think it may be like 20 minutes we've been walking, or like more, but we have a pit stop, I guess. Okay, so I think I'm going alone, but there's like a hell load of more stuff. Should we stop here? I don't know. Maybe like cavemen used to camp here or something, because wow, that is black because of the fire. Heading up. I'm just gonna keep the camera on and not pause it, because like it's really difficult to stop and like turn it on. So I'm just gonna. Oh, I thought the waterfall was down there, but like it's just down there. And I'm way too late. Hold on. There we go. There's a small one. Yo, we decided to just go forward because my mom was like, you spent so much walking here, and she's like, okay, yeah, whatever. But now I just accidentally wet my whole feet and my socks, so yeah. We're basically hiking. Yo, the water. I'm just gonna keep this on. Waterfall. Oh no, we have to cross more water. Oh god. I paused the video for some reason. I think we have more to go. So we're heading back, right? And I'm tired. My shoes are wet and stuff. My mom and dad are coming and blah blah blah. Woo! We're heading back now after so many difficulties.
so my dad went back and recorded again. Since yeah. So here's the clip of my whole dad doing all the stuff. First, he went down the hill again. He didn't record the first starting of it since we already went back to the road. And right now, he's just walking. My dad is not talking since he wanted me to voice over it, so I'm voicing over it. And then I heard fun fact, there are a lot of Asian flags here. Like, there's this small little route that goes to I don't know how far, but it goes very far. So my dad is also going to record that in the next time up. But he told me that there were a lot of stairs. I don't know why. Even now he's climbing stairs, but he told me there's a lot of stairs. So probably before this, he went all the way back to the left, and then now he's just recording this one. Although we missed out a lot. Me and my mom missed out a lot, but my dad got the clip. And now he's heading up even more, and there's a little bit of water down here, but okay. Now he's showing us all of the mountains. See, even more stairs. Stairs, just stairs, and just stairs. Everywhere is stairs. Now he's behind these two people, okay. And then look at that beautiful, magnificent view. That is where that we haven't went. And this was the part where he had to climb all the way up from the side, and it was really dangerous. But if you guys go here, the view is breathtaking, I tell you what. Since I watched the whole video that my dad got me, it is amazing. I recommend all of you to go there. Whoever is watching, I guess. And there are a lot of tourists there too. So this is a most tourist spot. So again, see, he's climbing stairs and stuff. Now very soon he's going to be climbing rocks. There you go. So he came back to the spot that he left at. And this is where the hard spot begins. I showed you guys that waterfall, little water dropping. Now he went all the way up. This is the part that you guys haven't seen yet. Since I left halfway through because it was too tiring, and yeah, we had to do a lot of hiking. And look at these really giant rocks above. It feels like you're in the Middle Ages. I don't know, Middle Ages? What am I thinking about? You're in the old ancient timings where cavemen used to exist. I don't know what's wrong with me. I keep talking about cavemen, but whatever. And you have to climb all the way up. This is giving me ancient vibes. Very ancient vibes. And now he's heading all the way up again. Good thing the weather also decided to go a bit down. So we should all thank the weather for that. And before, the weather was all very sunny and very hot at that time. But now in the video that you guys are seeing, it is quite neutral. As you can see, the people that do the kayaking, whatever, and gave us the boat rides, they came all the way in here and put these arrows so nobody would get lost. And my dad is following the arrows, so yeah. See, even that arrow is pointing towards go up, and there's like more arrows, so this is quite helpful of them. Because what if nobody, there were
ये लोग ने
any
arrows
like,
बनाए हुए
what do you say?
Rocks
Arrows, my dad would also get lost. The people would also get
जब
lost.
हम लोग जा नहीं पाए थे ना, बहुत अंदर अंदर था, तो मोड़े पे रास्ता नहीं है हम लोग का यहाँ पे, तो उन लोग ने क्या किए हैं, रॉक्स की साइडों पे ना एरोस लगाए थे, तो बंदा गुम नहीं हुआ। जब भी सब लोग ऐसे आगे की तरफ चले गए।
And for the exit, the arrows are pointing backwards, so the people know where to head and not get lost.
वो आदमी ने लेके
And there's a flages I was talking about, the small roots that lead to absolute, I don't know where, in the middle of the mountain, and they just stop. They build this to like guide people where to go and not get lost. Because most people would get lost if this wasn't there. Here my dad is following the route. I think I cannot pronounce the name A flages. I don't know how it is, but it's just that. And now he got off. But still, there's a lot more to go. Climbing.
जवान आरती में ना वो लेके चल रहे थे।
Me and my mom and my sister couldn't go because since like the rocks were too high. So my dad just said, just give me the phone, I'll just go and record it for you for this vlog.
मैं ऐसे बोल दूँगी my dad went alone.
Here there is some unexpected rocks in the route, so he just climbed over it. And then now he's back on the track of following the route. But the end place that we can sadly go, it is beautiful. Beautiful. Actually, very beautiful. See, there are all ways of going here and there. So yeah. There are many trees and stuff. So and my dad is showing us this area. This is like a whole. The rocks were piling beside the small little pond thing, but this is the most beautiful thing ever. The leaves were so green, the grass was also green, and now this is the path that leads to the main area. That the tree area was just for like a stop, for like if you're tired you can walk, you can just sit down and relax for a bit, then continue your hike. As you can see, my dad is almost there. It should be near since this is like almost the end of the video that he took for me. And most people say that under that slab that my dad just showed, that there is a small little hidden cave that you all should explore. And this is the main part where this is the final destination. And this is the final destination of this area, Wadi Ash. And I tell you, you should be always careful and wear appropriate shoes. And then, And you should be careful while swimming too, because some lakes are very deep and you may, if you don't have a life jacket, you may drown. And to avoid that, you should be very careful and check if the water is deep or not before swimming. That's it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye!